The morning run. Their path got cut short by a building. No, I'm not letting you in because it's too hot for you guys to be running all over the place. Let's get your little run now. See? Everybody's Quaver. You got in anyway. They're going to run all over the place to get overheated. Oh, he went in with the girls. What's the matter, boys? You can't fit through the little hole? He's like, you traitor. All right, Quaver, come out.
Doors like it is, so you want...
You guys are hot. I told you. Didn't I tell you don't run too much? You got to save your energy in this heat. I know it's morning, but you guys are going to get really hot, you know? See that? You ran all around, and now look at you. Overheated and tired already. Yep, now you want to go find a place to lay down. You boys are a trip. Stay in the shade.